Hey everyone, MyNamesTee here, a community manager and head tester at Velora.tv. Today I'm excited to announce that we have released Velora Air. It is our 100% free mobile live streaming app for you to do IRL events and stream your favorite mobile game that you are so interested in sharing to your streams. Now, let's get started by downloading it. It's available on both Android and iOS. But since I own an Android device, I'm going to head to the Google Play Store. I'm going to click the magnifying glass at the top right corner. Then I'm going to look up Velora Air. Press enter. Velora Air is this one, with the icon that looks like a camera lens. That icon took ages to make, upon thousands of layers in Photoshop. But we did such an incredible job, and we hope you like it as well. So, this is Velora Air. It allows you to stream IRL, as well as any video game that you can play on your mobile phone, straight from the app. Now, before I continue to show you how it works, I really need to stress this out. Velora Air is a mobile live streaming app, meaning it's only available for your Android and your iOS device. It's sadly not made for tablets due to the size and the, well, window decoration, as well as the window, size that will look very odd on tablet devices. Another thing that I want to stress out, your stream quality and as well as your stream stability on our streaming app all solely rely on the strength of your Wi-Fi connection. We understand that Wi-Fi connections can be finicky. Unfortunately, we could optimize as much of our ABR and bitrate control to heck and back, but unfortunately, your Wi-Fi is the deciding benefactor if your streams are smooth and stable. Now, with that disclaimer and stress point out of the way, let me move over to my phone. And here I am, at my phone. Now, I'm gonna navigate to my app drawer, where I will see Velora Air. You may have noticed that I have monochrome icons turned on to my phone, and so, we figured it would be a nice visual touch to add our own monochrome icon to the mix. So I'm gonna open up Velora Air. And you're going to see it's going to start by opening up your camera, specifically your front-facing camera. If you wish to only film the back of your camera, there is a button right here to change the camera mode from the front to the back. It also has flash support, as well as muting your mic and showing your chat. The chat only you can see on your screen. Your viewers won't be able to see that. You may have noticed an orange button right here. That is the button that you can press to go live. But first, let's go over some of the basic controls. Up here, you will find a pencil icon. Click that. Here, you can enter your stream title, as well as select your category. Oops. Note, your recent categories are the ones that you have entered in your desktop creator dashboard on Velora.tv. But you can still search for a category right here. Next, there is a settings cogwheel at the top right. Click that. Let me bring this up. Under settings, make sure that you sign into your Velora account first before continuing to go live. You will see under settings your account name as well as your account handle, along with your profile picture as well. You will also see a font size for your chat. This controls the on-screen chat right here. You will also see some diagnostics. This is useful for helping us track down any issues that you run into while using Velora Air. If you do end up running into issues, make sure you press the copy logs, go to our Discord, link in the description, open a ticket, and share these logs, and make sure to tell us that it's from our Velora Air mobile streaming app. Now, if I click my profile picture, it takes me to the same settings page. useful if you prefer one or the other. But that's not the only exciting thing you can do. How about pressing the screen share button between the pencil icon and the settings cog? This will bring up a broadcast mode pop-up menu. Currently, we're on camera mode. We need to switch to screen capture. When you install the app asks you a bunch of permissions. Make sure you allow each and every single one of them. And also, you need to make sure that your phone's privacy settings do not prevent any apps, like ours, from capturing your screen. Otherwise, the Velora Air mobile app gaming stream side won't work. You will have your same buttons, but you've noticed that a couple is missing. You only have your chat, mute mic, and your go live. The others are meant for the IRL version. Now, once you are ready to set up your stream, you can click the orange go live button, or if you're on the screen sharing, you can press the start screen broadcast. Once you do that, it'll bring up your stream info. Select save. Remember, we are on the game capture screen. So this will look different from the IRL screen capture. Next, press continue. An Android screen sharing permission will pop up. We recommend setting it to the entire screen. And once you're ready to start, hit share screen. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that. If you do end up canceling, an error message will pop up saying screen capture permission denied. And if you wish to switch back to the IRL side of the app, click the screen share button again. This broadcast mode menu will pop up. Select camera, and you're back to IRL streaming. Just like that. We hope that the introduction of our Velora Air app will allow you to share your favorite mobile video games, whether it's Balloons TD6, your favorite racing game, as well as some tower defense hits that you personally enjoy. And if you have some IRL events planned and you wish to share them on Velora, you can do so with our app. Remember, your stream stability depends on your Wi-Fi connection, how fast your mobile data connection is, and as well as how fast your Wi-Fi connection is. That is unfortunately something we cannot fix. And one more thing, our Velora Air app is 100% free. We do not have any surprise pay gates, payment features, or paywall features that will drive your experience to complete insanity and drive you nuts. Please do consider subscribing to the official Velora YouTube channel, where tutorials, showcase videos, how-tos, and what's new videos are to be expected. See you in our Discord, and see you in the next video.